Our next drink today has become an absolute cult classic here at London Cocktail Club. It is the Bacon and Egg Martini. Bacon and egg in a glass at the same time tends to scare a few people. But once you've tasted it once, you keep coming back for more. And I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna start with my bacon. Now we fat washed Jack Daniel's number 7 by cooking down smoked bacon, macerating it with the JD, putting it into the freezer, and that's gonna leave like a thick, fat head at the top of the liquid. We scrape that off, and we have this perfect, beautiful bacon-infused smoked Jack Daniel's. I'm gonna start with 50 mils of this. Once my 50 mils in there, I'm gonna be adding maple syrup. What better way to sweeten bacon? After 15 mil of my maple syrup, I'm gonna add just a touch or a dash of orange bitters. That's gonna give it a lot of floral style flavor on top of that thick, rich bacon and maple flavors. Last up, lemon juice. Again, another 15 mils to give it the acidity. This essentially is a whiskey sour with an infusion of bacon. And of course, the addition of an egg white completes the classic style whiskey sour. Egg white in, and now I'm gonna give it a dry shake. That essentially is just to mix up the egg white and get it all moving. Once I've done that, I'm gonna throw in my ice to finish this off. And give it a light shake. Now, because of my dry shake before my hard shake, this should give me a really thick foam on the top of my drink. Again, for this, I'm just gonna single strain. Give it a quick taste. Too easy. Garnish, bacon egg, of course, with a rasher of bacon and cheeky little Haribo egg. That is the Bacon Egg Martini.